In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital era, opportunities for earning money have expanded beyond traditional avenues. One such dynamic and promising realm is e-commerce, where individuals can leverage the power of the internet to generate income. In this video, we will delve into the various ways one can earn money through e-commerce. The most direct approach to making money in e-commerce is by setting up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces for individuals to showcase and sell their products. Whether you are an artist, crafter, or entrepreneur, establishing an online store allows you to reach a global audience. For those who want to dive into e-commerce without managing inventory, drop shipping is a viable option. With this model, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipment. You market the products and, upon a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This minimizes the upfront investment and eliminates the need for warehousing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Many e-commerce platforms and businesses offer affiliate programs. By creating engaging content and strategically placing affiliate links, individuals can earn passive income as their audience makes purchases. E-commerce isn't limited to physical products. Many individuals create and sell digital products such as e-books, online courses, and digital art. With platforms like Gumroad and Teachable, you can easily monetize your expertise and creativity, reaching a global audience eager to learn. E-commerce platforms often require various services, from graphic design and content creation to web development and marketing. Freelancers can find opportunities to offer their skills on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, catering to the needs of e-commerce businesses. If you have a talent for design, print on demand allows you to create custom designs for merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Platforms like Printful and Printify handle the printing and shipping, leaving you to focus on creating and marketing your designs. With the rise of social media, individuals can leverage their online presence to partner with e-commerce brands for sponsored content and collaborations. Building a significant following on platforms like Instagram or YouTube can open doors to earning opportunities through partnerships with brands. The world of e-commerce offers a diverse range of opportunities for individuals to earn money, whether through selling products, providing services, or leveraging their online influence. As technology continues to advance, the potential for innovative income streams in e-commerce will only expand. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone exploring new avenues, consider tapping into the vast possibilities that e-commerce has to offer.